little fries. Now eat rice from the trash can.
Look. Buddy, look. Look, buddy, look. 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 You're funny.
This is Lucille, a 10-week-old kitten who's available at Noah's Kingdom Humane Society. Again, she is about 10 weeks old. Little girl, she's a calico, a lot of dark fur with some beautiful orange accents. Right now she's enjoying her little orange mousie. And if you're interested in this kitten, we would love to have you adopt her. You can find more information on Noah's Kingdom Humane Society right here to the right of this video if you click on more information. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us or to write a note. We always do check our web page as often as we can, and we try to update it at least once a week.
Hey guys.
Thanks again for watching this beautiful kitten, and have a wonderful day. You like the feather? Thanks for watching.